Dry the hay. Leave the cut hay in the field to dry. 2. Prepare the wooden crate. Put a straw in the crate. 3. Put the hay in the wooden crate and compact it.